The time for ripened fruit has come, the pear weighing on the branch, the sweet peach of it all. The corn is brushed with the green and silk gold glow of autumn just begun. It is the anthem of the drunken cow, and it must be sung. It is the buzz of the bee that will not die a mysterious death, but live the healthy New England life of honey gold and hunkered down winter apple bite. It is the transcription of the bright January daydream that brings on the September sleep and the baby milk dream. One day, we used to say, one day we will find the right tree, and it will be full and gently laden with cherry blossom promise. We spent days at our table, imagining the smell of peach plump and pear ripe. We spoke of raspberry jam and plum butter, until what we imagined became laced with the metallic taste of fear, salty sorrow, and maybe never. We hiked and watched and walked and kissed and pruned and waited. Through the morning we waited. Then came midday, and through the next spring, summer, and fall even. Year after year, and kiss after kiss, we waited. At times we thought our legs might give out with the sheer, empty weight of it all. The pages of our wall calendar became heavy, and nights gave way to a dopey haze of online searches for some kind of answer, because everybody has one. As we fought sleep and each other, holding tight to our hunger pangs, because once desire is gone, what is left but to acquiesce to a forever sleep of hunger? And then the frogs and turtles came, pushing forward through the mud and sand and the primordial turmoil of the long-awaited journey, dodging cars and raptors for that one thing that they know, that one thing for which they move forward, that one thing that they cannot not do. Which is how it happens. Because here we are, watching the corn in the field, green and golden and steady, ready to fall. The squash in the field bask and huddle, nursing the still chlorophyll secret. The peaches are dripping with the nectar answer. And the raspberries, the raspberries are waiting to roll from the stem of the cane. The end is just the beginning.